Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Ford F-350. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup successfully merges advanced capability with comfort and agility, distinguishing itself from the competition with its cargo capacity, towing capacity, and ruggedness. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including a tachometer, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.